Right now, he is single or he got married.
He's still single. I don't know why he blocks me. Maybe he wanna move on and he cannot forget me. So he blocked me in everywhere. He blocked my family, my kids.
If he want to back, are you accepting?
I say to him if I'm waiting him, and no matter how he's bad to me, how he hurt me, but the reason is not a new girl, so I will accept it. It's not about he slapped me or he hit me, then I will accept it. So I have a two reason why I didn't accept. It's mean like because a new girl. It's because he did something to me, like a beat, like a slap or punch me. So I will not accept. But in everything, that's okay for me.
He beat you before?
No, he never. I want to tell you something. I was break up for 2 years. Since January, he was in Vietnam. But how can I know it? Because I feel connection and then I dream about him for 3 times that he's so close to me and I feel he is in Asia, so I asked him, "Are you in Asia?" But he doesn't answer me. And then I say to him, "Are you in Asia?" And then, "Are you play dating apps?" And he said, "I'm in Vietnam and I don't need dating apps." So he doesn't play dating apps. And then I was said, "Why you not come to Indonesia? You can come to Indonesia for 2 days because the distance is so it's not far." He doesn't replay it. But in 2 days or 3 days, I was praying. You know that Muslim, when in the midnight, he can pray. And I pray. And then he sent me email that he cannot because in 10 January, he was flying to back Netherlands. And I said, just 2 days, just 2 days to meet. And then he said, okay, 6 until 10 January from Surabaya to Vietnam, from Indonesia to Vietnam. Okay, I have to renew my passport. And he said, I think you cannot renew your passport for 1 day. You know that? I do it. I did it, renew passport just for 5 hours. 5 hours process it, and then I pay it extra. That you know what he said, don't come here. Then I am so sorry because I text you because I'm drunk. It's cancelled to me. And I said to him, "Oh, that is okay. I was pay, but if you not want to meet, that is okay. It will be good if we meet in the right time." And I feel when you're drunk and then you wanna me to come there, you wanna meet me. That's mean like you are honest about your. So I don't care about it.
Should move on.
Me, I don't wanna move on. I can move on, but I don't wanna. I still loving him, even though he did so many things to hurt me, but that is okay. I can give him sincerely hurts.
You will still love him. She don't want to come with you.
I don't know how to say that because he try always. It's mean like pull back again, and he said sorry to me. It's not his plan to play with our emotion, but he tried. He doesn't know why he pull away again. It's mean like his trauma or his was that he's afraid if he fall in love with me so deep and then I leave him, maybe it will be so hard
Oh, he
for
think
him.
like that.
Yeah, I think like that because when I go to Bali with my coach just for fun and then want to traveling touring, not with having fun with others boy or men, He just care about it. He just afraid.
He's worried about you. You want to live together. You have to tell him.
Actually, I was doing. I was trying to say him, let's marry. Then he doesn't want to marry. Then I said, okay, we live together. You wanna live in Indonesia or I live in Netherlands? But he said, I don't want to live with you. It's clear. Okay? It's clear with his mouth.
You ask him, what is the reason you don't want to live together?
He doesn't want it. Because maybe from his side I'm materialistic, from his side I have two kids and then I choose them than him or how, I don't know. But actually he also loves my kids. That's so complicated, right?
Yeah, very much complicated.
And what's all I do? I just keep silent, right? It's better keep silent.
You are Muslim, you have to believe on Allah. He has a good plan. He know everything. What is good for you and what is bad for you.
Yeah.